See here what is given. So minus has to be interchanged with plus and 9 has to be interchanged with 7. Similarly in vice versa, whenever you find 7 you have to replace with 9. Similarly whenever you find minus we have to replace it with plus, and whenever you find plus you have to replace it with minus. Now what is the first option given? Look at here carefully. 16, so there is no condition on 16, so write 16 into, there is no condition on into, so into 7. Be careful, 7 has to be replaced with 9. There is no condition on divided by, write down divided by 12 equal to 40, which is not correct. Now go for the second option. 36 into, write into, see here 9 has to be replaced with 7, and here what is given? Divided by, there is no condition on divide by, so divided by 14 equal to 18. So 7 divided by 14 you will get 1 by 2. 36 into 1 by 2 equal to how much? 18. So option 2 is an answer. Let us go for the next question. See here minus has to be interchanged with into, and into has to be interchanged with minus. Similarly whenever you find 15 you have to replace it with 16. Whenever you find 16 you have to replace it with 15. Now look at the first option. 50, there is no condition on divide by, write down divided by, and minus, whenever you find minus you have to replace it with into, so into 16 has to be interchanged with 15 equals to 150. Verify that. 50 divided by 5 is how much? 10. 10 into 15, 150, which is satisfying. So option 1 is our answer. You need not verify the remaining options. Next, fifth one. Here into has to be replaced with plus, and plus has to be replaced with into. Similarly 4 has to be interchanged with 3, and 3 has to be interchanged with 4. Let us verify. 6 plus, so plus means replaced with into. There is no condition on into, sorry into means replaced with plus 5 equals to 36. 6 to so much? 12 plus 5 is 17, which is not correct. Now what is second option? 6 plus 4 divided by 3 equal to 8. 6, whenever you see plus you have to replace it with into. 4, whenever you see 4 you have to replace it with 3. There is no condition on divided by. Okay, 3 equal to 8, which is not correct, so 2 is ruled out. And next option, what is given? 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2. Look at here, into is given, so into has to be replaced with, so this into has to be replaced with plus, 4 has to be replaced with 3 is equals to 4. 10 divided by 2 is how much? 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, but here right answer we got 4, so option 3 is ruled out. Now look at the fourth option. 8, so into has to be replaced with plus, and 3 has to be replaced with 4, and what is given here? Look at it carefully. Divided by, there is no condition on divided by, so I have to keep this in brackets. Divided by 4 has to be replaced with 3 equal to, so 3 has to be interchanged with 4. You have to be careful while changing the signs and symbols. This seems to be very easy but tricky. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. 12 divided by 3, 4, which is satisfying. So option 4 is our answer. Let's go for the next question. Sixth one. What is given? So plus has to interchange with divided by, and divided by has to interchange with plus. Similarly 6 and 4 we have to interchange. Whenever we find 6 you have to replace it with 4. Whenever we find 4 you have to replace it with 6. Okay, look at here. Let us look at the first option. What is first option is given? 10 into 6 means I have to replace with 4 there is no condition on minus 10 equal to 4 means 6. 10 4s are 40, 40 minus 10 is 30, 30 is not equal to 6. Option 1 is ruled out. Go for the second option. 6. Okay, divided by means what I have to do? I have to add. So plus 8, keep this. So there is no condition on into. Okay, so into 1 equal to what is given here, and see here, this is what happens actually. 6, whenever you have find 6 has to be replaced with 4, so you have to write here as 4, not 6. So 4 plus 8 into 1 equal to 14. So 12 into 1 is not equal to 14, which is wrong. So option 2 is ruled out. Now go for third option. What is third option given? 16. So there is no condition on minus, right? It is 6 has to be replaced with 4. So 16 minus 4, and there is no condition on minus, so write it as minus 8 is equal to how much is given? 18. So 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 is not equals to 18. So option 3 is ruled out. Let us go for the fourth option. So 8 plus 2. So plus has to be replaced with divided by 2, and there is no condition on into. So write it is into, and 6 has to be replaced it with 4 is it equal to 24. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16, which is not equal to 24. So option 4 is ruled out. Now coming to fifth option. Automatically fifth option will be answered, no need to verify, but let us check here. 12 into what is given here? 2. You need not interchange anything here because there is no condition on 12 into and 2. But here plus, what is given? Plus. So plus has to be replaced with divided by, and what is the number is given? 4. 4 has to be interchanged with 6 equals to, right hand side is given 6. 6 has to be replaced with 4. 12 into 2, 24. 24 divided by 6, which is equal to 6, which is correct. So option 5 is our answer. Now coming to seventh question. What is given? Which symbols you have to interchange? Look at carefully. So minus has to be interchanged with divided by. So minus has to be interchanged with divided by, and divided by has to be interchanged with minus. Similarly 8 and 5. Whenever you find 8, you have to replace it with 5. Whenever you find 5, you have to replace it with 8. Let us go for the first option. So 16, there is no condition on into, but whenever 5 is there, I have to replace it with 8 divided by. Divided by means I have to replace with minus 20 is equal to 60. 16 8s are 128 minus 20, which is not equal to 60. So option 1 is ruled out. Go for the second option. 36 into 8 is there, so 8 has to be replaced with 5. So 5, look at here, divided by means must be replaced with minus 30 equal to 60. 36 into 5, 180. 180 minus 30 is not equal to 60. So option 2 is ruled out. Go for the option 3. 20. So minus has to be replaced with divided by 4, and this is given in brackets. So plus 8. 8 has to be replaced with 5 is equals to 24. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is not equal to 24. So option 3 is ruled out. Let us verify the option 4. 24 divided by, so divided by has to be replaced with minus 4, and into, there is no condition on into, so into, and 8 has to be replaced with 5 because 8 is given here, you have to replace it with 5 equals to 100. 24 minus 4, 20. 20 into 5 is 100. 100 equal to 100, which is satisfying. So option 4 is our answer.